Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reply TikTok comment with video. So watch this video till the end. First, open your TikTok app. Then tap on Inbox where all the activities are on your TikTok profile. Now tap on Activities. Now tap on View All. Scroll until you find the comment you want to reply video with. Then tap on it. Then long press the comment. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Reply with Video and record the video as you desire. So that is how you reply TikTok comment with video. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.